Zebra shades are one of the most sought-after blind styles on the market right now. They offer a versatile combination of privacy, light control, and modern style. Their alternating sheer and solid fabric allows users to easily adjust between filtered light and full privacy. They are also easy to operate, energy efficient, and suit a variety of home and office decors. Hello everyone, my name is Edwin, and I am a blinds manufacturer at DG Shades. Today I will be showing you how to troubleshoot Zebra Shades' most common problem, drooping or unaligned slats. What may seem like a big problem is actually very easy to fix without using a single hand tool. First, we want to roll open our Zebra Shade to assess the issue. You can see here the misalignment of our slats. A lot of times the constant tugging and pulling of your cord can gradually cause this problem. Other reasons may be mishandling of your blinds or moving them aside without fully rolling them back up. Whatever the cause may be, we're here to help. First, while your Zebra Shade is rolled fully down, go to the back of the cassette. This is the aluminum box that houses your blind. Next, adjust the section of Zebra Shade to what you approximate to be the center. Don't pull too hard because this may cause you to rip the sheer fabric. Second, go to the front face of your blind. Make sure it is still fully rolled down and align this with the back of your Zebra Shade. Again, don't pull too hard. Once you have aligned the two sides of fabric, you can close and open your blind to check for any further misalignment to correct. Another solution for this problem is to put two pieces of tape on each side of the fabric where it meets the cassette. This prevents your Zebra Shade from moving left and right. Next, fully open and close your Zebra Shade, and it should be back to normal. Use these few steps to maintain your Zebra Shade in great working order, and it will give you years of shade for your home or office. You can also integrate your Zebra Shade with a smart motor to eliminate uneven pulling of your cord. You can find smart motor products on our website at dgshades.com. Thank you for your time, and I hope this video saved you time and money. For more videos on blinds troubleshooting, please click on our YouTube page and subscribe.